Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open the Google Slides app and sign in with your Google account. Tap the file name to open a presentation from My Drive or Recent. Use the search bar or folder view to find files quickly. If a presentation is shared with you, tap Shared with Me to locate it. To create a new file, tap the plus icon at the bottom right. Wait for the file to fully load before editing to avoid syncing errors. Tap any text box to edit text and use the toolbar formatting options. Highlight text to change font, size, color, or apply bold and italics. Tap the plus icon to insert images, shapes, or a new slide into your presentation. To move an object, drag it with one finger and use 2 fingers to resize proportionally. Use Arrange and Position from the menu to align objects and maintain consistent spacing on each slide. Slides autosave to Drive, but confirm the file shows saved in Drive. To share, tap the share icon and enter collaborator emails or copy a link. Set permissions to viewer, commenter, or editor before sending the link. Use comments to leave notes, assign tasks, and mention collaborators with an @ symbol. Open version history to restore previous versions or see collaborator changes and timestamps. Export with the menu as PDF, PowerPoint, or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.